Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamim Abid. Now I am studying BSc in Software Engineering at Daffodil International University. I complete my SSC at Lokhimpur Islam College with CGPA 4.80. I complete my HSC at RCC Public Islam College CGPA 4.78. I choose BSc in Software Engineering because I am interested in technology and how software works. Today, almost everything depends on software, from phones to business. I want to learn how to design and manage software that make life easier for people. I have growing interest, fundamental knowledge in artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning with continuous learning, my dedication. My hobby is coding. I enjoy writing programs and creating new things on the computer. Coding helps me think creatively and solve problems. I like learning new programming language and building a small project like apps and or games. My goal is to become a software engineer because I have technology and coding knowledge. To achieve this dream, I really need a laptop so I can proudly coding learn new. Thank you, Daffodil International University, for this opportunity.